everybody, today I'll be showing you a little hidden feature on your key fob. So if you didn't already know, you're capable of putting both your windows down only with the press of a button on your key fob. So how to do that is you're going to press your unlock, and as soon as you've pressed your unlock, you're going to press it a second time and you're not going to let it go. And that's going to start putting both of your windows down. So I'll show you. You press once, you keep it. Now your windows are going down. You can let go to just make them go halfway, and then if you want them to go lower, you just repeat the process. And that puts both of the windows down at the same time. And I thought that was a cool little feature on your key fob if you didn't already know. This works for my Dodge Challenger SRT8 2010. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. I'll be happy to answer. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.